Why don't you guys turn on the
Go.
lights for out there?
So we can kind of see.
No, walk out there.
No, we're gonna do targets right there.
I'm gonna shoot, okay.
Woo!
Right there.
2-step.
You're making a mess, right?
Yes, I am. Ready? There's others. Any others?
We all know your piranha work, Sean.
Look at baby.
Done.
Yeah.
Alright, so that was the piranha GTI.
Next, Tippman 98 custom.
Yep.
Well, screwing off is you have to do it fast, right?
Yeah, and don't point it at me.
I'm 60.
Alright.
Screw off. You're faster. I'm slow, actually.
Safety.
Good, Drew. Don't dry fire. We need the... Real quick, Drew.
What'd you call me, bitch?
That's paintballs on the target.
Just shoot where we shot with the bricks, so we only got one spot. It's going now. Bucket.
No, don't shoot her.
Yeah, shoot you, huh?
Hey, no.
Bucket.
Go down.
Wait, do you think they'll break the bucket?
Don't shoot the cameraman.
Alright, shoot the camera.
No,
What are you
don't.
scared of? You went paintballing?
Oh,
Aren't you supposed to shoot people?
Just point blank.
You got more? Okay, my turn. Is that break?
No.
It bounced
We'll
off.
find that later on, or... Yeah.
You're not gonna make it. You have to clean that up, though.
He's gone, Jeremy. Oh my gosh, you take long to shoot.
Is that a lizard right there?
Oh yeah, it is!
Shoot it.
Got him!
Hey!
Is he dead?
Oh!
You got him though!
What is it?
Oh, he went off, I saw him.
He jumped.
That motherfucker almost came right back for me.
He's trying to attack.
What? You're not done.
That was 3.
I put 3. Alright.
Yep.
50 off. On.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
Next we have Tippman 98 custom with red dot optics.
50 on. 50. And gun shot.
50. Watch it just blow up in your face.
I'm not safe.
Throw some shots,
Where
Sean.
are we shooting?
Think loud though. Done. Alright, next is the Tippman A5 right here.
Oh man. Getting ready?
Yeah. Shooter. Johnny! That's a lot of CO2.
What? There's no other way to do it. People usually don't take it off while it's still charged.
Thing is on safe.
Then again, other people have valves right here to turn it off.
Empty. That's what it does when it's empty. It's on safety. That's on safety? There it is. Hey.
Fogged up.
Shut up. Told you, Matthew.
Can it shoot like this? Can it shoot like this?
Can he just shoot his gun regular?
I know, but is it made to shoot like this? No. Okay, well, it's going to be cool for now.
Hey, look at that big old wall.
Oh, motherfucker.
Hey.
Bro, let me shoot my gun. Shut up or I'll punch you, fat boy.
Shoot right there. Nowhere else but right there. Out.
Oh.
I call shooting your gun next. Wait. Oh yeah, don't have no more paint.
Done.
Out.
You want to shoot it just to dry fire?
Yeah, go ahead.
Let me show you how to do it.
I know, I could do it faster, but not on his.
What does this do?
That's for the cycle. That's the manual pushing thing. Manual thing.
Sit!
This was not put on all the way, the right way.
You put paint already in your gun, Matthew?
Hey, it's the first time.
Matthew
You come through.
Matthew took his gun all the way apart, Jim.
Clear it out! Almost coming out.
Shoot. Shoot. Wait, I want to shoot some.
Stop.
Oh yeah, I can feel it in the grip.
You can feel what?
I can feel the air in the grip.
Yeah.
That was cool.
I tore up this plate with only my gun.
We can make a rocket out of that.
Yep. Put the thing over this.
Yeah, make it a little compressed. Hey, if we get a water bottle, we could do
Put
that.
a sleeve on it.
We can put a water bottle.